In this video, I'm going to show you how to set leverage in Vantage. Now, the first thing you have to do here, once you are signed into your account, on the portal over here, you want to click on the Accounts tab up top. And then you want to select, of course, if you'd like to set leverage for a live or a demo account. And then if you're opening a new account, you'll be able to see over here, upon creation of your account, you'll be able to choose the leverage. Okay, so we have 5 different options over here. You can select the one, select all the other things, and then just submit that account. And after you create it, you'll be able to see over here what your leverage currently is. Of course, if you want to change it after you create your account, just click on this button over here, so this cogwheel at the top right of your account. Click on change leverage, and then it's going to basically tell your current leverage, and then you can click down here and select what you would like it to be. So for example, like this, click on change leverage, and your leverage is going to be changed. So that's how easy that is. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.